Hi guys, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today we are looking at a vertical actuation bar. These are 36-inch tall, and these are what we recommend typically for our California customers. These meet California building code, and they look really slick compared to using the high-low mounted push plates. So that's what they look like. Now, when these ship, they ship with screws here to keep the push plate so that you can't press in on it. So, and it says here on the back too, these are for transit. Remove them prior to installation, otherwise your button will not work. So, to get into one of these, we're gonna go through the top. Through the top, you'll see there are two holes here, and there are a couple of Phillips head screws, and we are going to back those out. Then this cap will just pop off. There is the unit. So as you can see, it's just an aluminum extrusion. Your two screws are threading into this channel in the extrusion. That's pretty much it. So and your transmitter is located up here. You can pause it right now. Here is the transmitter for the unit. And you can see if you need to replace the battery, there it is. It takes a 3-volt coin cell CR2032. So as you can see, there's nothing, battery comes installed from the factory, and the reason why they make sure that the buttons ship with those screws is so that the button isn't pushing and wearing out that battery in transit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back together. Simple as that. And you can see here is one of the mounting points. There's going to be one at the bottom on this side too, and that will you can attach to the wall with your preferred anchors. But there you go, guys. There's the vertical actuation bar, the 36-inch tall unit. You can get yours today at Automatic Door and Hardware at www.autodoorandhardware.com. Thank you.